How to mark your page info as permanently closed. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mark your page info as permanently closed on Facebook app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it. Now click on those three lines and you're gonna find your page here. If you didn't find it, just click on pages and you're gonna find pages you manage. Click on it. Now this is my page. All I need to do is click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on the second option, which is page info. Scroll down. At the last option you're gonna find mark as permanently closed. Click on it. Here, instead of business hours, visitor to your page will see that it's closed permanently. Your page will also be less likely to appear in search results. Click on OK, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.